Ice my house. What kind of house can be built in an area with freezing temperatures and hardly building material? Why, an igloo, of course. Inuits invented the igloo or snow house many centuries ago. Inuits are native inhabitants of the North American Arctic. They eat mostly animals, mainly because plants don't grow well in cold places like Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Inuit hunters must travel to find seals, so igloos are built in hunting camps. The hunters might stay in an igloo for a few days or for a whole winter. When the hunt is over, they head back home to live in regular old houses. Most igloos are dome-shaped and built out of blocks of ice. There is a small tunnel leading into the igloo. Even though igloos are made of ice, it can be much warmer on the inside. The walls of an igloo block the wind. Sometimes the wind makes the temperature feel much colder than they really are. A person inside the igloo acts like a furnace. The snow and ice work like insulators to keep the body's heat trapped inside. Igloos become even cozier after a few days being built. Body heat and sun cause the ice to melt slightly. Then the ice refreezes and becomes stronger and warmer. Experienced Inuit hunters can build an igloo in an hour using the right kind of snow. Soft, powdery snow won't work, so they use snow that can be tightly packed. First, they use a snow saw or knife to cut large blocks of ice from an area with dry, hard-packed snow. These blocks are about 3 feet long and 2 feet high and 1 foot deep. Second, they smooth the edges of the blocks and place them in a circle. The blocks lean in and create a shape of a dome. They get smaller as the igloo gets taller. Third, igloo builders use a shovel to cut a hole under the wall of ice. The wall becomes the entrance up to the igloo. Fourth, one large block of ice is wiggled into place in the hole at the top. Once in place, it is shaped to fit the opening exactly. Then, loose snow is thrown onto the igloo and packed into any small holes. The inside is smoothed by hand. The final thing done is finish the entrance and cut a small ventilation hole in the roof to allow air to circulate. These air holes enable the use of a small stove for cooking inside the igloo.